So recording has started. So now the thing is that while doing the HTML, first what you have to do here is that we have to make a folder. It's better we make a folder. Okay. So let's name a folder like class 7 HTML. Okay. Then after that, what I'm doing here is that I will just right click here. You don't need any kind of softwares right now. Okay, there are different types of softwares, but we don't need it right now. So I'm going to the new and going to the text document. Okay, write a design. Okay, now see here, like this, you have to give a the greater than HTML lesser than. I'll increase the size so that you all can see. Okay, and after that what I will write here again, now if I go to the file, save as, the folder that I made, it opened. Right here demo.html and here save as type all files. Now the moment I save here and go to the folder, see a Chrome browser came here. See, our demo Chrome browser came here. Can you see here? Demo.html.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Yes,
The
sir.
moment I double click here, see the page came out. If you can look here closely, here, see demo.html is written there. Can you see?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
See, only one student is responding, not the others.
Yes, sir.
So this is the HTML. So can you see the difference between these two HTML? Did you understand the
Yes,
difference
sir.
between these two?
Yes, sir.
One is the HTML and another is the backslash HTML. This HTML is the, I'll write it here. Sorry. Opening bracket, and this one is the bracket. Okay, these are the two HTMLs. So this HTML is termed as the opening bracket and this HTML is termed as the closing bracket. So and anything you have to write in the middle of this. Anything you want to write, okay, you have to write in the middle of this. Clear? So now let's try to write something. Now the HTML in this page, if I go to any page, let's go to a page something like, okay, let's go something okay, suppose I'm opening the Facebook page. Okay, so this is the heading. Okay, this Facebook that you can see here, this is the head and this is the title. This one that you can see is highlighted on your screen. This is known as the title. Okay, and this one, the Facebook, the blue color Facebook that you can see here, it is the heading. Okay, it is a heading. Same if I go to YouTube. Okay, like this you can see the YouTube is here. Now see here the YouTube logo you can find here. This is the heading and these are all the titles. Clear?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Okay, let's go to Wikipedia. Let's start. Let's search APJ Abdul Kalam. Okay, now see here. This is the page. Now the title is this one, APJ Abdul Kalam. This is the APJ Abdul Kalam, this is the title. Okay, now the thing is that what happens here, this is the content. Okay, this is the title, means the heading, the head. If you open any book, you will find on the top there is written like in this book there is written, if you go to page number 81, you will see that introduction to HTML. It is written in the block, that is the title, and the content is the down part. Same goes here also. Then let's do one thing, give a heading. Before heading, what I have to mention here, like this I have to give the arrow. I'll increase it some more. Is it clear now?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Head, and same goes for backslash head. Okay, now head and backslash head. So now what I will do here, computer class for class 7. If I want, I can click here, format, font, italics. Okay, now I will do what, save. Let's see what happens. See, this is the heading file. Okay, so understood the head. Now if I want to write the head, I can write like this. Then after the head, what comes? The body. Body means the content. Okay, the body means the content. Body, and again backslash body, body. Again I am writing here the students for okay. You can type anything you want, you don't have to put that semicolon, comma, this, that, nothing you have to put. Okay, same goes here also, computer class for class 7. Okay, here also there is no limit that you can't write this much, you can write as much as you want. Same goes for the body also. So what I am doing here, I am doing save. Let's open the, let's go to the folder and sorry, got it? Teaching the student of how to make an HTML web page. ठीक है. Any questions in these two parts?
No, sir. No, sir.
Okay.
No, sir. No, sir.
Okay. Now see here, when I am clicking here the demo, see here everything is coming in a same line. So I have to denote it. For that, what I have to do here is that I'll just mention here and backslash title. Is the statement, this statement is right? Is this statement is right?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Shishandu, is this statement is right? Shishandu?
I don't know.
Good. Ayush?
Sir, right.
It's wrong. I told you, na? Before only I told you that there should be a backslash. So here also a backslash should be there. Save. Now see here. So now you will ask, sir, then where is the computer class of class 7 is has gone? So now see here. Can you see here written here computer class for class 7?
Yes,
Okay.
sir. Yes, sir.
This is the head. So now basically what we have to do here is that first and foremost thing is that no matter what you are writing, this greater than HTML get lesser than and greater than backslash HTML lesser than. You have to remember this command, sorry, then this command and this command. Just look at here, I am writing here HTML, this is the opening bracket and this backslash HTML, that is being treated as the closing bracket. Same goes for the head. Okay, the head is the opening head, and see here backslash head means this is the closing part of the head. Same goes for here, this is the opening for the title and this is the ending for the title. See here the backslash is here. If you don't give the backslash, it will not work. Okay, if you don't give a backslash, it will not work. And whatever you are doing, whatever you are changing, what you have to do here is that you have to go to the file and save. Okay, every time you make a changes in this HTML or in the web page, what you have to do here is that you have to go to the file and save. Clear? Any questions you are having, you can ask me. Any questions you are having, you can ask me. Clear your doubts. Clear your doubts. Because I am saying you repeated times, these things are going to come now. Question and answers will be very less now. Like this, deciding the HTML, this, that, all are going to come. And for one more thing, if you in exam also, okay, just read the question properly. They can ask you that how to write the title. So you just have to show this part. Don't write the entire program. If you write the entire program, you are going to get nothing. But if they are asking you how to write the title, just write this one. If they ask you how to design an HTML, just give this one and this one. If they ask you what you can type in the body, this much content. And if they ask you write the full HTML command, you have to write each and everything. If you miss this part, suppose you missed out this part, suppose here the backslash head you have missed, so what will happen here is that this web page will not work, and for that you will get nothing. So whatever commands, whatever symbols you are putting, be careful with that. Now be careful with that. And after writing each and every line, always go to the file and save. Always go to the file and save it. Clear?
Yes, sir.
So, any questions you are having now? If you are having any questions, just clear your doubts. Till now also I haven't finished 1%. So please till now I haven't finished 1%. So please, if you are thinking that there is a problem or anything like that, you can ask me now. Okay, so now the thing is that in this HTML, why we need this HTML? Why can't we write the normal thing? Whatever we design, so anything can be done. Now the thing is that it's because of the security issues. Okay, it's because of the security that you need to understand. For example, like in many pages, just a minute, just let me turn on my stylus and I will share my screen with you. Sorry. Please let me know whether you can see my screen or not.
Sir, I can see.
Sir, I
I
also.
can see.
Sir, I can see.
Just a minute. Okay, now see here. Uh, there are two types of HTML. One is the HTML and another is the HTML. Sorry. HTML, we all know that it is hyper text markup language. Okay. Now what is here is that suppose this is the web page that you are making. Now if you want, you can write here with a red color. You can write the body in the blue color. You can put the pictures here. Okay, like this you can do. You can change it. All you have to do here is that it is not like that I'll just drag it and drop it here. You have to give the commands for each and every thing. For each and every line or for each and every position you have to give the commands. So now what you have to do here is that every time when you are writing an command in HTML or for the web page, what you have to remember is that give this like this bracket, then give a like this bracket, then write HTML, and while closing time give backslash and write HTML. Okay, these two things are the must. Just deal like this is an opening bracket and this is a closing bracket. Same goes for the title also. If I am going to write a title, TITLE, I have written the content of the title here or about the name of the title. Again I will give backslash TITLE. Now the thing is that if this title, and see the title here, there are two titles here. One is without the backslash and another is with backslash. Without the backslash means what? It is an opening one, and with the backslash it is a closing one. Rishabh, did you understood? See, no response. Now see here, same goes for the body. If I am going to write something in the body, this is the opening one, and for closing I am write whatever you want to write, you have to write in this area. After giving this one, if you write something, so it will not be accepted. In this program, each and every command, the writing pattern, each and every command you have to mention. Can you hear me, students?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Okay. So everything, please make sure that this backslash, this greater than, lesser than, all these symbols are there. if I ask, like before also I said, like before only I said you that if I asked you to write how to write the title, see honestly, just hold on a second, I think it's because of network issue. Can you hear me? Students?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Okay.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
So basically what is happening here, how to write the title. So for now what you don't have to write everything like this backslash HTML, then write backslash head, sorry, again, then after writing, then giving here title. Okay, you don't have to write like this. What you have to do here is that just write only the title part, just write only the title part, means title class 7 computer, this much you have to write, and you will get how much? You will get about 4 marks for this. Okay, you will get 4 marks for this, that's it. And if you make any mistake, suppose you have written like this, straight away you will get 0, straight away you will get 0. Anyway, I believe I have to end the class now because of the time up.